Did you know that staged homes sell for up to 20% more than non-staged homes? That's a huge difference. But most sellers miss out on thousands of dollars simply by skipping a few key prep steps. Want to make sure that's not you? Let's dive into the biggest mistakes sellers make and how you can maximize your home sale profits. Selling your home isn't just about listing it, it's about presenting it in the right way. The way you prep your home can mean the difference between getting top dollar or watching buyers walk away. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to boost your home's value before it even hits the market. Here's the truth: buyers judge a home within seconds of walking through the door or even just seeing photos online. But here's where sellers go wrong: overpricing, thinking their home is worth more than the market says, leading to longer days on the market. Poor presentation, clutter, outdated decor, neglected repairs turn buyers off instantly. Neglecting curb appeal. Buyers won't even walk inside if the outside isn't inviting. These mistakes cost sellers real money. But the good news, they're all easy to fix. Okay, let's talk about simple, high impact ways to prep your home for maximum profit. Declutter and depersonalize. Buyers need to see themselves in the home, not your family photos or piles of paperwork. Minor repairs matter. Fix leaky faucets, touch up paint, replace outdated fixtures. It does make a huge difference. Curb appeal is king. First impressions count. A fresh coat of paint, trimmed landscaping, a clean entryway go a long way. Stage it like a pro. A few strategic furniture arrangements and neutral decor can make your home feel bigger, brighter, and more inviting. I recently worked with a seller whose home sat on the market for 2 months with zero offers. We decluttered, updated the lighting, refreshed the landscaping, and staged the main living areas. And guess what? The home sold in 1 week for 25,000 over asking. A little prep goes a long way. Even the smallest changes can make buyers fall in love with your home and increase your final sales price. So, what's the takeaway? Preparation is everything. Decluttering, making small updates, and staging your home properly can dramatically increase your home's value and attract better offers. Have you sold a home before? What prep tips worked best for you? Drop a comment below. And if you want even more expert tips, check out my next video on pricing your home for maximum profit. You won't want to miss it. I hope you found this video helpful, useful. Like, hit the bell to subscribe so you'll be notified of future videos. And thank you so much for watching.